My name is Raz Lahari, and today's topic is how to give a suitable title to the passage. In CSS exam or in other exams as well, you have to give a suitable title to the passage in question number 3. There are reading comprehension questions, and you have to give a title. And similarly, in question number 2, précis, it is must. In reading comprehension, it may be um, given or it may not be. But in précis question, you have to give a suitable title to the passage. So it's a very important question. You may lose 5 marks if you choose the wrong heading or title. Before you give a title, you will have to keep in mind first point, and that is title must not cover the content of the passage, but should also express the author's tone as well. Like it covers the main idea, and along with that main idea, you have to include the overall tone. For example, if the title you have chosen is The Dismal State of Pakistan's Economy, now it shows that the passage is about economy and it is about poor performance of the economy as well. So, title you have chosen, it should be neither too broad nor too narrow in scope. It means it should cover all the points. Similarly, some people believe that title is the conclusion. No, it is not the conclusion. It must reflect the, all the points that are given in the passage. So when you are giving the title, remember that you have been asked to choose title for the whole passage. So it must indicate all important points in the passage, and then you have to give that title to the passage. Now, if you are required to give a title or heading to the passage, you can name it number 1 after the main character if it is about a person. So you'll have to see if it is a physical description of a person or a place or a thing. If it's about a person, you can write about, like the heading will be that person. If it's about a place, that'll be about place, or a thing, that'll be about that thing. But you have to be specific. It should not be general. It should be about that particular passage and the points which are given in the passage. So it may be you can name it after a person or character if the passage is about a character about or a person. Similarly, you may name it after an object if you think the passage is about a particular object, and you can also name it after uh, the incident or event if it is mentioned in the passage. Sometimes there are proverbs or quotations or sayings in the passage. You can also select those proverbs or quotations or sayings as the title. Similarly, you can also see what is the recurring idea in the passage. Which idea is repeated? It's occurring again and again. You can also choose that idea as the heading. You can also condense the passage into 4 or 3 parts. And about each part, you can separate the units of thoughts, different units of thoughts that have been given in the passage, and then select each 2 or 3 or 4 lines. You can give a separate heading to it, and then you can them. Combine them. So in this way, this combined heading will not miss any point. It may be a bit longer, but it'll work. But it will be appreciated if your title is short. So you can read the passage carefully, understand all the points, and then you can give the title. It may be about person, it may be about object, it may be about place, it may be about incident or event, or it may be about an abstract topic or about an abstract idea as well. So whenever you are giving heading, always keep in mind that this heading or title is for the whole passage not for the ending or for introduction or opening line or conclusion. It must cover the whole passage. Thank you very much. Good luck.